Welcome back to our brand new video, guys. This is your boy Luke. Today we're gonna talk about DoorDash and Uber Eats. So after this video, you're gonna know which one is better for you to drive and which one you will choose. Let me know to the comment section after you're watching this video, and let's dive into the video. Before we dive into the video, we want to say we're gonna talk about DoorDash first, and we're gonna talk about Uber Eats second. So we're gonna talk about the pro and con. Yes, we good now. Let's go. DoorDash is one of the leader food company right now. DoorDash not only focus on delivery food right now, they're working with CVS and they're working with Walmart. That's a better thing for the driver. They can earn more money right now. So let's talk about pro and con about DoorDash. DoorDash pro, and we can say DoorDash is really good. The way the driver is high, DoorDash pay the driver very good money to delivery, and they have something called peak and challenges. That's a better way to the driver to earn money. They give driver access to cash their money out instantly by 1.99 cents. You can cash your money out after you finish work. They don't have to wait until next week to get it paid right now. In DoorDash, you can always cash your money out. And the next pro one of the thing really good about DoorDash, and you decide which order you should pick. If you don't like this order, you don't have to take it. You can always turn the order down, waiting for the order that you would like to accept it. And the next pro we want to talk about DoorDash right now, because DoorDash working with CVS and Walmart and local restaurant is very good for driver. Makes so much money because it's not only focused in food, they focus on other stuff like CVS packing medicine for people, and Walmart you just go and pick up stuff for people and delivery, and you make money, and people, they always tip you. And what I want to say about DoorDash tip, DoorDash have a 15% tip if the customer not gonna tip you in, like put the amount of the tip on the app. So DoorDash encourage the customer to tip you 15% in what they order. So if someone order like for $100, if it press the 15% of tip, and you're gonna get $15 on top the money you already pay you on the phone. This is how it works. That's the tip. If the customer want to give you $5, you can always pay $5, and you can give you cash when you deliver the food. What I like about DoorDash, if you get stuck, you can always call the customer. You have access with the customer phone number. You can always call the customer number and get more information about the delivery. And right now, let's talk about the con about DoorDash. The con about DoorDash, you can always, the customer service, you cannot call the customer service unless they call you, because you have to text them only by text. If you have person you're not good at texting, you're gonna have a lot of trouble. I think that's a con. They should give you access to call customer service. Only the customer service can call you. You cannot call the customer service. Only you can text them and they can reply. And sometimes you have to wait online before get somebody to help you. That can take 5 to 10 minutes, even more than that. And the second con about DoorDash, DoorDash, you have to schedule in advance to drive for DoorDash. I don't like that. You have to schedule in advance to drive for DoorDash. That means you cannot take your app and you say, I want to work right now, and you open it, bang, and you go online. No, you have to wait, and that means you have to schedule in advance to drive. If you know you're gonna drive afternoon, you have to make schedule. Sometimes you not even have schedule. It told you already full. There is no schedule in your area. I think that's a con. I don't like that, because they should give access to the driver. If you want to work right now, you just go online, bang, and you try to make money. And $1.99, when I say before, I think that's really good for the driver to cash your money out, but I think it's too much money. Why you want to take $1.99 to cash the driver money out? It should be less than that. I think it should be like 50 cents, just like Uber Eats. That's the con I should take. In the con about DoorDash, again, you don't track your miles. and you have to use a mile tracker. I'm gonna leave the link below. You can use this. This is the one that I use when I'm driving for DoorDash. The first link you're gonna see is the mile tracker. I'm gonna leave for you in the bottom of the video. You just go, you sign up. That's all I have for DoorDash. I'm talking about pros and cons about DoorDash. Right now we're gonna talk about Uber Eats. Uber is Wisher is Uber Eats also, right? We know Uber Eats is one of the leader of food company. Yeah. So Uber Eats Pro. We're gonna talk about pro about Uber Eats. With the pro and con, we already say you're gonna talk about the pro and con. The pro about Uber Eats, it gives you ability to have two of the app in one single app. So that means you get Uber Eats and Uber Wisher. So that's a really good thing for people, you know. And after, Uber Eats is really good. You don't have to wait to get you don't have to schedule if you want to work right now. You just go to Uber Eats app, you turn it on and waiting for orders. That's really simple, that's really good, and I like that about Uber Eats. If you have a problem with the customer, and you can always call support. You press call support, and after, somebody gonna talk to you. If they're like busy, they tell you wait. You're gonna wait like 3 to 5 minutes until people speak to you, and you can tell them anything you have wrong, what's going on, and what they can help you. And the pro wanna keep going to talk about Uber Eats. If you don't have to wait until next week to get your money. If you have more than 50 cents, you can cash out, because you only take 0.50 cents to cash your money. And we see DoorDash take $1.99 to cash your money out. I think that's really high. And Uber Eats, you only pay 50 cents to cash your money out. That's really good. The best thing about Uber Eats, you can earn different way, because they have guests, they have search, and they have boost. And guess is something they give it to you. Like they say, if you accomplish like 2 trips, I will give you $2. If you accomplish 1 trip, I will give you $1. If you accomplish 10 trips, I will give you $10. This is how the boost work, the guest work. I mean, boost is a multipliers. Like you can see in the app 2.1, 3.0. This is boost. Think about it. If this order is for $3, normally is for $3, because there is a boost of $2, 2.0. That's me multiply the $3 equal give you $6. That's me you're gonna get $6 for this trip. I understand what I'm saying. You're gonna get $6 for this delivery. And search is a money they give you. In search, you can see when the app is wet, the wet spot in the app when there is a lot of demand out. They give you $2 add in your top of the money. Of top all the money, or they will pay you. They're gonna pay you $6 because there is a search $2, you will get $2 plus the $6 gonna equal $8 you're getting paid total plus tip. And Uber Eats encourage the customer also to tip you like they can tip you in hands when you deliver the food, or they can tip you in the app. That's really good for you to make good money. I think Uber Eats is really good. You don't have to you don't have to schedule. You get good pay in Uber Eats. The con we want to talk about Uber Eats, because they send you far. They send you far away, and I don't like that. They send you far away, and sometimes they not even pay you well to go. And they send you anywhere. If someone order your food 45 minutes, 1 hour, Uber is still gonna say yes. They're not gonna reject this order. They still gonna take it, and they're gonna find a driver to give it. But the gas, the boost, and the search one, I was telling you on the phone, you're not getting those often, okay? And it depends of what is the demand, what's going on, and that's why you can get the search and you can get the boost. In average, DoorDash driver make $15 to $20 per hour in average. Uber Eats driver make $15 to $25 in average. So that's all we have. If you have a question, and I think you should try both of them to see which one is popular in your area, which one you should drive. I thought you should try both of them, I think, to just find out which one is the best for you. After that, you can decide which one you will keep. If you want to drive for Uber Eats, just open the Uber Eats app only. If you want to drive for DoorDash, just drive for DoorDash only, and that's it you want to do. Because if you want to drive for both, you're gonna have to pick up both order. You want for the restaurant over there, one for you're gonna pick up food at the restaurant, and you're gonna have to drive with people food and to another restaurant. They're gonna see this, they're gonna kick you out, and if they kick you out, they're not gonna take you back unless you have what we call Kover. Soon as you stop work, soon as they stop you, Kover, we're gonna reach them out while Kover work with them for you to get you back in the world. They're gonna pay you for the day you're not working, but is a monthly subscription. You're gonna pay start with $7 per month and go up. And yeah, guys, that's it for the video, and I hope to see you in the next video. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe to my channel, and see you next to the video. Bye.